Welcome back, everyone. As you can guess from this printed label, I'm just restoring an old cartridge I got. This was with the box full of Commodore 64 stuff I got about a year ago to replace my old system, which was lost in a move. Anyways, the whole cartridge was just in pieces, just drifting around in the big box of stuffs, and the label was ratty and all torn up. So this week I finally got around to printing a label, and unfortunately it doesn't look perfect, but it's better than the old one. And I had to actually just work from a photograph I found online of the cartridge because I couldn't find a scan of the label. Well, anyways, this is just actually some label shipping label paper sticker sheets that I got from I believe it was Staples. So anyways, I'm just going to stick these on here. Luckily there's a little seam here which makes it a bit easier. And because of having to edit the photo to fit the cartridge, I had to do it in small sections. So anyways, imperfect as it is, it's going to be workable. And this is the problem with, or can be the problem, is with these, is getting the various bits lined up properly, especially with my hand in the way of the camera, like it is. And once that's done, I'm going to get some of this shipping packing tape over it as sort of a protective thing, because these labels are not waterproof. I'll also give it a bit of a glossy look like the original would have had, or at least closer to the original. And there we go. So that's what it looks like just with the label bits itself. Still not perfect, but a lot better than the torn up, messed up original that was on there. And now, to get a bit of this packing tape on there, a bit of scissors. Of course, usual disclaimers apply, like always practice safe scissoring. I will do this here. It'll make it easier to cut on the line. Mr. X-Acto knife. Okay, again, not 100% perfect, but at least it's, for me, it's acceptable. And I'll trim a little bit of this here. And of course, I'll do an extra little bit to cover up this little other side on here which is still exposed. And Again, Friendly Neighborhood Exacto knife will make things a bit easier. So I'm going to run it along the edges here just to make sure these are all pressed down so it doesn't start lifting on me. So here we go. And not quite perfect, but at least somewhat better label. So, which at least, you know, for a perfectionist, this would be annoying, but I'm no perfectionist, and it's a lot better than the torn up originals. So, anyways, that's it for now, and see you next time.